Hi and welcome back. This is a light video. I just wanted to show you how I automate a part of my input page in one of my models, which is this part, the days. And the old version of the model is that the users are required to input all the days here, days per month, weekend and holidays. And then the new version will be the users are required to just input the year, particular year, and just list all the possible holidays within that year that they can copy from the web, and then everything else in here will be updated. So to do that, let us go to sheet 1 here. And then the first thing that I will do is to have a month here formatted into 3-letter words, just Jan, Feb, March, and so on. And at the same time, I'm going to format it into a beginning of the month. So to do that, I'm using the date formula here. Then the year will be the changing cell here, comma. I'm going to lock it uh, now, anchor it. And then the month will be 1 for Jan, 2 for Feb, and up to 12 for December. And then comma, the day will be the first day of the month. And that's it. And this is the format. Just go to this format, custom format, and then custom, and then make it as a date format, like a month format, MMM, and OK. And that's it. That's what I want here. Now you cannot copy and paste it because we manually put a 1 for the month. So in here I'm gonna need some helper. I'm gonna put 1 here, and then on the succeeding cell just this particular cell plus 1, and then just copy and paste it up to 12 for December, and that's it. And then replace the month here, not to encode the month, just the reference cell here, and then click OK. And then copy and paste it. We now have a set of months here. And the next thing will be the days per month. This is easy. I'm just going to use the days function here. Then the end date will be January 31. But to do that, we'll be going to use the EO month here. EO month, end of month, the start date will be this date, comma, 0, and then include again the first date plus 1, comma, the start date for the days function will be this month as well, or this beginning of the month, and that's it. That's how we get 31 days per month of January. Then copy and paste it, and that's it. Let me check it, make it a leap year here, and the Feb is now updated, and that's it. 2021, and that's it. Now for the Sundays, because there's no weekend formula for Excel, we can either use the weekday or the networking days, network days. So in here, I'm going to use the network days in here. Network days international. And then open parenthesis, it requires a start date. The start date will be this one, beginning of the month. And the end date, again, it's the EO month, beginning of the month, or start date, comma, 0. And that's it, comma. Now the weekend, you can have several options here, but in here, the weekend is equivalent to Sunday, so I will choose 11. That means Sunday only, but you can choose other option. One is Saturday and Sunday, two is Sunday and Monday, and so on. You can choose whatever weekend that you have. That's the function of the international within this formula. And the holidays, that is optional, and I'm gonna close it, and that's it. So the 26 days here means the working days without the Sundays, but we want the reverse. We want the Sundays here, and to do that, just subtract the days per month minus your formula, and that's it. This is formatted as a month here. Let me just change the formatting here into a number, and that's it. You can just copy and paste it, and that's the number of Sundays per month. You can check the calendar if you don't believe this part. Now let me move on to special holiday. That is quite challenging now. Now in here, I need the list of holidays, which I already prepared here. Just to show you this, this is the dates that I copied from the web, just formatted it into a table, then just put a remarks if it is a regular or special holiday here. So here, let me delete this part to see those dates here. So for this one, I'm going to use the Countif formula because I wanted to count all the months or all the holidays here that falls into a month. So let me try the Countif here. Then the range will be the holidays here, then comma. Now the criteria is quite complicated. I wanted to return an array of dates here that corresponds to January 1 to 31, but I don't want it to input it. And to do that, let me just use the indirect function here to make a text reference of that particular array. So to do that, I'm going to write first the indirect here. And I'm going to use the first day of the month. That means January 1. I'm using a connector. And then I'm using a text reference here for the colon so that it will make, it will turn it into array later on. And then the end of month is the end of this combination. End of month is start date will be this January, comma 0, and that's it. But there should be a connector here. So January 1 connected by a colon, connected by the end of month January 31. So that's it. Let me close it. That's it. But there is no answer yet because let me check the indirect here. The indirect is now F9 is returning some values here, a range of values, but it's equal to 0. So in here, I wanted to have a serial number of January 1 to 31. And to do that, I'm going to combine the indirect into a row so that it will be turned into a numeric array here, numeric values. So I'm going to make it as a reference here. Let me check here. This particular formula row indirect F9, and that's it. That's the array of dates from January 1 to 31. That's the serial number, and that's it. I'm going to use it, Control G, make it as a formula again. And then the next thing is that is not yet complete because in here there is 2 holidays in January, but the count is 1. That is because the Countif can handle an array, only a range. This is a range. This is now equivalent to an array here. Now if you choose the whole Countif here, that let me choose the whole Countif here and then check it now. This is confirmation that it's now an array. And then the first thing here, 1, that is January 1. That means true. Yes, it is counted as within the holiday. Then 00 is false, and 1 again, that's it. But I wanted to count it, combine this 1, 1 here. So I'm going to combine it with a sum product because the sum product can handle an array, and at the same time the sum function here can count those ones true value in here. And that's it. The special holiday is 2 for January and this is 2. And that is now okay. Let me copy and paste it. Let me check it. 2 for Feb and 5 for April. Yes, that's 5 and that's it. But some of it are regular holidays, some are special. For example, this case in January, one is regular, one is special. Let me just fix this and make this multiple criteria. Let me use the Countifs here, and then let me add criteria range 2 in here. That is the criteria in here. If this range is equivalent to special holidays, lock it, then count it. And that's it. Copy and paste it, and that's it. Now for January 1, one is regular, one is special, so the count for special is 1. But hey, on April, this is April here, there is two special holiday, I think. Two special holiday. Yes, two special, but one is on a Sunday. We already counted the Sunday here, so we don't want to count it twice. Let me just use some helper again here, not on a Sunday. And that's it. In here, I wanted to return if this date is a Sunday, then leave it blank. Otherwise, if it is not on a Sunday, just return the same value in here. So in order to do that, just first use the weekday, then test it. This is serial number, and then the return type will be, what is the return type? Let me choose 1. That means 1 is a Sunday, 2 is Monday, through 7. 7 is a Saturday. And let me check the answer. The answer is 6. That means this date is equal to a Friday. And that is not the final one. Let me use an if here. This argument is not equal to 1. 1 means Sunday here. It's not equal to a Sunday. Then the value of true is that you just return this holiday in here. Otherwise, just leave it blank. And then close it. That's it. In here, if it's a Sunday, even if it's a special holiday, this is a blank note in here. So in here, I'm going to adjust this part. I'm going to delete this criteria range 2 in here, just this part, and then I'm going to adjust it. Let me make it this part, and that's it. Enter it, and then copy and paste it, and that's it. This is now updated. This special holiday here, but 1 is Sunday, so that means special holiday is 1, and then this is also 1, and that's it. Now for the regular holiday, it's very easy. Just copy the formula in here, paste it in here, and then adjust this part. Make it as a regular, and that's it. Copy and paste it, and that's it. For the regular working days, because all the formula here are all set, just make a residual value, days per month, minus the sum of all weekend and holidays. And that's it. Copy and paste it. And that's the answer. Let me make it disappear. Custom format and 3 semicolon. That's it. Now change the year. This part is now updated. This part is not, of course. You just need to paste all the holidays in here. Let me just make an example here. I already prepared that part. Let me copy and then go to sheet 1 and then paste it here. Let me check the answer in here. This is 2020, sorry. You should have 2022, and that is now okay. If you want 2020, just paste all the holidays in 2020, and this, all the data in this table will be updated. And that's it. I'm finished here. I'm done. If you're liking my videos, you can subscribe in my channel, and see you next time, and thanks.